how to choose a catering bundle on Jimmy John's catering menu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started. Open up your browser and then go to jimmyjones.com. You can see the catering option in the top left, right beside menu. Just tap on it. Scroll down and you can see catering bundles right there. Just tap on it and then you can scroll down and then you can view the items in the catering bundle. And then once you find the bundle of your choice, you can just tap on it and then you can add to order. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.